guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be doing an unboxing and complete product review of one of the workout equipment I recently bought, the resistance band set from AB Home Fitness.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
So back in late 2018, early 2019, I used to have a resistance band, not a set, just a one-piece resistance band that I used way before I used dumbbells and kettlebells. I used it for around 4 to 6 months non-stop every day, and then it snapped, it broke. And then I tried buying a new one, but I didn't like the design of it. So I had it replaced with dumbbells, and then recently I wanted to go back using resistance band. So I bought the same resistance band, and I don't know why when you buy something or you browse something on Lazada or Shopee, it appears on your Facebook news feed. And then there were a lot of online stores offering resistance band set with the complete pictures and videos, and of course I was enticed, I was curious. So I asked one of the sellers, and I remember my first question was, mabigat ba? Is it heavy? Because my old resistance band is just 5 pounds, and I was thinking maybe I can't do it. I want to try it out, but I'm very hesitant because it might be too heavy for me. But in my mind, I was thinking, if it does not challenge you, it will not change you. So to make the long story short, I got my own from AB Home Fitness. So let's open and see what's inside. And due to COVID-19, we have our own sanitizing protocol in the house. You can bring in anything from outside without it undergoing quarantine or sanitation. So I already removed the courier plastic and the seller plastic. So I only have this now. There's no unboxing, just opening. So let's check it out. What's inside the bag? What comes with the resistance band set? So here, yeah, we have here five bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what else? The foam handle, the pair of foam handles, and then the pair of ankle strap. Yeah. Okay. And then door anchor. I'll tell you later what's this for. And what's this? Exercise chart. You can follow the exercise, and of course their bag. Okay, let's check out each item. So let's go first with the resistance band, the bands. It has 5 bands, and yes, they are, first, their bands are weight labeled. 10 pounds or 4.5 kilos. And then 20 pounds or the 9.1 kilos. And then 30 pounds or the 13.6 kilos. 40 pounds. Yan. 40 pounds or the 18.2 kilos. And last but not the least, the 50 pounds. The 50 pounds or the 22.8 kilos. So, it's weight labeled in one color per bag. So, you don't need to guess anymore. All you have to do is either look at the label so you can choose which band you want to use, or you memorize yellow for the 10, green for the 20, blue for the 30, black for the 40, or red for the 50. And I chose this. One of also the reasons why I chose this is the link. The link, because there are others, the other resistance band set. Their bands are directly attached to the connector or the band itself. Parang that's not kind of durable if their bands is connected to the connector, because it is possible there's a big chance to snap. And I was informed that these bands are made from natural latex and they are double layered, so they are snap resistant. Sana. Okay. And then the foam handle. The foam handle, why it's not attached to that? Because you can easily choose. If either you want to choose the 10, just choose the 10. You want to choose 10, you want to choose the blue, so you can just snap on. Kaya it's not connected to the band. This one, I learned from them that this is called the carabiners and the D-ring. They said that this, based on their website and their Instagram, it is heavy duty, so it is very durable, and unlike others, looks like a bag hook. Theirs is yan. And then they also have a double stitch, X-box double stitch. Yan. And then ankle strap. This is for your, if you want to do workouts using your legs, because your feet won't fit here, you have to use the ankle strap. Yan. And then the door anchor. So if you want to put the resistance band, attach it to your door, you need this. I'll show you my old. This is my old door anchor from a branded resistance band. There's just a big difference. It is padded, so when you put in your bands together, because of the force, because of the pull, your bands will be safe because of the foam, because it's padded. It's less friction. Unlike this, I'll show you my old resistance. This is my old resistance band. I tried doing door anchor exercises before I got this. I do it like this. And then, because it isn't padded, there's already bruise. There's this line. See, you can see. So, this, they have exercise chart that you can follow. Resistance band targets any muscle group, so you can check out their exercise charts. Arms, you could work on with the arms, the shoulders and back, chest, and then your core, and then the butt, and then the legs. You just follow. And I will be doing resistance band workout soon, right after this. So please stay tuned. I will try out some of this, and then the carrying bag. So you can bring it anywhere. What's good about this resistance band set? It is suitable for any fitness level, whether you are a beginner or an expert. If you are a beginner, you can start off with just the 10 pounds. Or if you are an expert, go with your 50-pound resistance band. Or if you are adventurous like me, who want to try out, test the waters, you can add, just add. It's stackable, add. Like that. Aside from, it's suitable for any fitness level. It also, you can use it as is. If you wanna use it just the resistance band, use it alone as is, or you can add it with your favorite workout equipment. If you want to do it on a sit-up bench, or if you want to use it with your ab wheel. So it's really parang you have more option. You have more option on how to use your resistance band. So we will try out the resistance band set by AB Home Fitness. I already snapped in the bands on the foam handle. So how to use your resistance band? Hold on to your foam handle and step on it. Step on it either 1 foot or 2 feet, or you can do feet together or feet apart, depending on, and then pull the handle how you want to pull it, depending on the muscle group that you want to target. You can just base your workout on the workout charts. And actually, AB Home Fitness informed me that for women like me, it is recommended to use 100 pounds. But I will try out first all 5 resistance bands if I can do it. There. So that's about it. If you want your own resistance band set from AB Home Fitness, please check out the description box below. I'll include the link where you can get this. And please stay tuned on my YouTube channel. I'll be doing 8 resistance band workouts, how to take care of your resistance band, and how to use door anchor properly very, very soon. So if you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button to be notified for new uploads. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye-bye.